Are you getting this error message on YouTube when you try to watch a video or listen to an audio? Then follow these steps in this video as we prepare the helpful troubleshooting guide on how to fix it for good. Now before diving into much deeper solutions, try restarting your computer first to clear out the error. But if restarting does not fix the issue, try restarting Windows Audio device. Do it by opening the Services app. Scroll down the Services window until you find Windows Audio, then right-click on it, then choose Restart. You can also try changing your audio output device. Do it by opening Sound Settings. Under Choose Where to Play Sound, ensure the correct Realtek device is chosen. If you're not sure which device to choose, try other device to see if it fixes the problem. Lastly, update your audio devices. Just open Device Manager, find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click on your audio device, click Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. Now that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.